Hello, fellow tiny shop magic makers. It's an exciting day for me and hopefully for the Garage Fab community. Not long ago, Garage Fab reached 100,000 subscribers. This is a huge deal for me, and I just wanted to thank you. Everyone that watches on a regular basis, comments, likes, and shares my videos all helped make that happen. This announcement is a bit delayed because I wanted to do something big to celebrate. So this past week, I've been working to grant the request I get most often. Merch. It's finally here. This afternoon, Sunday, September 21st, at 5 p.m. Pacific, will be the grand opening of the GarageFab.tv online store. Set your alarm, because things are going to go fast. I don't actually know that, but I think I'm supposed to say it. For real though, stock is limited because I've never done this before and I'm scared. Waking up to 1,000 orders sounds great at first. Packing and shipping 1,000 orders sounds less great. What's in store, you ask? Well, I'm glad I assumed you asked. You could browse for yourself, but I feel some explanation might be needed. For example, hats. Man, I love hats. Have you ever had a hard time making a choice? Me too. There are 20 different hat configurations. Seriously, that's like 18 too many. Since I couldn't narrow it down, I decided to have you do it for me. There's only 10 of each design, and only the first few designs to sell out will be restocked. That means if you have different taste than most people, you may end up with a hat with only 10 others in existence. It'll be worth ones of dollars someday. To balance out the absurd 20 hat designs, I'm offering a staggering 2 t-shirt designs. One with Caroline's truck and one with mine. Both designs are total lies, since neither truck looks anything like this. You'll be wearing a lie, but they're really good looking lies. Some suggested I should have smaller metal keep moving forward signs made. That is brilliant, but it's more than I can afford right now. So I did the next best thing. Stinky Signs, also known as air fresheners. There are 5 nose flavors to choose from. One of those is cinnamon. The cinnamon one smells f***ing terrible. I'm not joking. I was hoping that they would smell like Christmas pine cones. They do not. They also do not smell like cinnamon rolls, cinnamon bears, or cinnamon. Please buy one, but do not buy one for someone you love or for someone that loves cinnamon. They won't like it. No one will. But buy one still. Buy one because you think I'm exaggerating. Buy one because you feel bad that I spent my own money on them. A pity purchase, if you will. Buy one because you know it won't stink forever, and then you can just recharge it with your partner's perfume, as I do. The other flavors are pretty good. Also in the store, super high durability stickers. You can put them on things. Your water bottle, your computer, your car. If you put them on your car, do not put them on the paint. If you do, I will not like you anymore. Glass only. Lastly, there's magnets. If you've got commitment issues, you can get those stickers in magnet form. Here's my big ask. If you place an order, please leave me your YouTube screen name in the notes section or on the contact page. I talk to many of you in the comments section on a regular basis, but if I saw your real name, I wouldn't even know. That's kind of sad. Also in the contact page, if there's something that you want that's not in the store, let me know. Need a smaller flex fit hat? Let me know. A 6X shirt? Let me know. If a hat design is sold out that you wanted, let me know. Want something else entirely? Let me know. That's it, my friends. I hope the site works because web design is not my thing and my eyes hurt. Thank you in advance for your support. You are appreciated. Until the next one, my friends, keep moving forward.